It makes me look crazy. But then again, can I have like just one baby hair? But then again, does this even look like a baby hair, y'all? I don't know. Hey guys, okay, so jumping right into the video, I already started off with getting my bald cap together, as well as throwing on 3 layers of the Bold Hold Active for oily skin, because you know my shit be sweating off. I will link this wig down in the comment section below so that you guys could check it out. This is like my 10,000th time. This is like probably my 3rd Ossilee hair wig within 3 years, to be really frank with you. I really love their hair company. I love the quality as mentioned, but you know, if y'all want to sponsor me, you know, just send me a little something and you know, we could do something about it. So now that I've slapped the unit on, I'm just using my nails to press my lace into the glue before I go ahead and put this elastic band on. So I just want to show you guys how crazy my hair looks. I've had this hair since the summer. I conditioned it with silicone mix for like 10,000 days. And that's why my hair looks like super duper silky. Now I'm about to hot comb and re-flat iron my hair and, you know, just film it so that you guys could kind of see how the unit turns out. All right, y'all, so I've very much decided to make this into a side part because that's my middle name and I wasn't really digging the middle part. So I already went ahead and kind of like position how I'm gonna do the side. So let me throw on some wax stick there just to keep all of this down. Grab my hot comb. Oops, almost burned my damn finger. All right, y'all, so let's do this moment of truth again. I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out. But yeah, we vibing. All right, y'all, so for the most part this is straight out with the glue, and now we're just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on this motherfucking lace. It actually does not look as bad as I thought it would, y'all. Like, obviously we gotta fix it, but it don't look that bad. And mind you, I've been over wearing this wig for months. Anyways, so now that I finished flat ironing my entire unit again and fixing apart and doing everything that I need to do to get this wig together, I'm gonna go ahead and use my mini curler. Ah, that shit fucking just burned. And now whenever I like curl my baby hairs, guys, I like to do it before I cut it, just because I don't want to cut too much, you know, like. So yeah, so I'm just gonna take this amount of hair. I'm gonna curl it inward to my face. And it's gonna have a little bumpity bump like that. And using my baby hair comb, I'm just gonna go ahead and just start teasing the hairs and just get it into a position where I would like it to lay. I'm actually gonna take the majority of my hair and push it back. So like I said, we're just gonna tease it. And I like to use the comb part specifically because I feel like the comb allows the hairs to lay differently than the brush does. And before cutting the hairs, I'm just gonna set it with some Got2B. Now that that's all set, I'm just gonna cut it Alrighty guys, and just like that, I don't know, should I do baby hairs or like the ears? I don't like doing ear baby hairs because I don't know, I feel like it makes me look crazy. But then again, can I have like just one baby hair? But then again, does this even look like a baby hair, y'all? I don't know. And just like that, we are all finished with the unit. I wasn't too sure if I should do like baby hairs or like my edges. I'm not really into it because like it just be all up in that way and it be tickling my eardrum, and that shit really blows mine. So I think we're good like this. But yeah guys, with that being said, I do hope that you guys did enjoy this video. I will go ahead and link this unit down in the comment section below, the description below. And yeah guys, I've had this unit for so long, y'all. I had this, I think this was my birthday wig actually. If not, then I bought it before the summer. But every single time I buy a wig from Ossilee hair, I love it so much. Muy motherfucking bien. My last video didn't do really well because I'm not good at baby hairs, y'all. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna sit here in front. And I feel like the way that I did my hair was unconventional in a bit. Like, it wasn't all that. But I do really love this swoop that we have going on. Y'all remember, as you guys saw in the beginning, I literally was trying to do a middle part, but it wasn't working out for me and it wasn't doing a damn thing for me. So I was like, you know what, let's just go to the side part. That's what I know best. That's what my head works with. And yeah, so with that being said, I do sincerely hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to your girl, and I will catch you guys in the next one.